So today, my little munchkins, we're going to have a catch-up day. Yeah, we are. That handle's great, isn't it? We're going to have a catch-up day. Let's get through all the security. Yeah, we're going to have a catch-up day today and just sort of try and keep on top of stuff. So we've kindly been given a donation of nice, clean, empty coffee jars. Yeah, and you know I am a big fan of these coffee jars. So, that's a bit full. Nearly ready to sort them out, so you can put all them in order. So that one's full. Okay. That one's, nearly full. We could put these for now. We could put these on top. See, we've nearly started getting these in order, haven't we? Putting all the same in the same place. So, will these go in there for now? Yeah. They're nearly ready. They're nearly ready for sorting, aren't they? You can't, when you've got a few, you can't really sort them. But when your cupboards are beginning to bulge with jars, then you're able to try and sort them. I've got an empty one there to play with. Oh, lovely. And I know I've got an empty one here to play with for a backup. Where's the empty one? That's full. Anyway, we're nearly ready to sort out the jars and put all the same sort in one. So that's we've done that little job. So what was the next little job? Oh yeah, there's a difference between buying them and hoarding them, and I know I get them and throw them on the bench. But stuff like this, you put them where the rest of it is, so you know where to find them. So the wire brush, the 2 new wire brushes that we bought, we can add it to the other wire brush that we bought. So we can now call that the wire brush area. Let me go and put another few nails in here. Let's put those 2 away. We've sort of created ourselves a little wire brush keeping area. So I've got enough. Don't buy any more wire brushes. But it's tighter than them wooden ones all over the bench. We've got to put these little wheels away. So what you've got to do, hold on, I've got to change hands. What you've got to do is put them with the other wire wheels that you've got ready to go type stuff. So we know here is cable ties. There's a few connector type ones. It could go in there, but that's generally cable ties. This is the cupboard with the spiky stuff. So these can go in this cupboard with the rest of the spiky stuff. And is there any under there? Yeah, there's some here too. So, and we know there's some spare brushes. We've got an area where we keep our brushes, haven't we? So that's them away. So you've put them in the right place and you know where they are if you want them. In the spiky wire wheel area, don't we? And remember, we created an area for the brushes. What are we doing next? Oh yeah, we're doing, remember the electrical connections? No, fuses. Boxes of fuses. Now, where would you? Generally, you'd put the fuses in a box and then you'd lose the box in a multi-pack like that. And then where would you keep it? But as an old habit from running the vans, I've got this cupboard here. This is where I keep all my bulbs. Because I don't use them that often now, I haven't got that many bulbs. But this was my bulb cabinet. Let's go around there. This was my bulb cabinet. So we're going to put them as our fuse cabinet as well. Electrical fuses, bulbs and fuses go together, don't they? Luckily, they just fit. Let's see if the cupboard will now shut. Oh yeah, lovely. So that there is the bulb and the electrical type thing, and now the fuse boxes. Yeah, move all our fuses into there. We're getting there. We're tidying up. We're getting there. We're putting stuff away. So you remember, we're yet to test them. We bought these drills, didn't we, when we were out in Norway? Hold on a minute, let me just, yeah, we bought these drills. Now drills are in several locations. Got drills in here, which is, pick one. If it drills a hole, great. If it doesn't drill a hole, throw it in and find another one. So we've got that drawer. But we've got these two tins. These are bigger drills, these are smaller drills. So we know we've got drills in this tin, in these two tins here. But they're all loose in there. It isn't a pack of drills, is it? It's not where we want to keep this. These drills go in here with the other sort of drill type, a drill collection there. We bought this in Norway, we bought that in America, and we bought these, I think we bought these in France, I think it was. So we're okay for drills and packs of drills, and we know where they are at an instant should we need to find them. And it's the same here, look. We've been messing with Stanley knives, haven't we? So let's put the Stanley knives back with the rest of the Stanley knives. There's a few there, but I think the majority of them are in there. So we know where all the Stanley knives are. So, you'll remember this box of Eagle brands that arrived. So we're going to make a nice demonstration, nice display with them. So, these are all Eagle brand, Eagle brand. So we've already got a small collection of Eagle brand on the go. So we put these in this cupboard, ready for having a look what we can find, match up. I've got a sneaky feeling I've got some somewhere else and I can't remember where to put them. I just haven't cleaned them yet or whatever yet, I think. I seem to recall. But we'll put these, for now, we'll put these Eagle brands in here with the other Eagle brands. We'll throw these out, but we'll find another place for these Super Slims. There's quite a few Super Slims that haven't come into here yet. So, the Eagle brand, and we've got to consult the book, haven't we, before we clean these and get them done. We've got to consult the book, and we've got to make sure we get all the sizes in order, make sure we don't miss one or two in between. That's a good beginning of a collection, isn't it? And types, and you know, so yet to be done. Put them with the rest of the Eagle brands, so when you do it and any more comes in, they all go straight in there. And that was a fantastic find from Tone, our finder of stuff that you can't find, and it goes in the drawer with all the older stuff along with the Snail brand stuff as well. Yeah, so that's coming on really nicely. You know, you collect them one at a time and then you make a collection, don't you? It takes a while, that's part of the fun. So, do you remember we did all the cupboards, didn't we? So, fantastic. So we've got a few more AdBlue containers. Fantastic, really tough plastic. These are ready to cut out the top and stick them in there, look, with the rest of them. Although they're up, you just grab the handle and pull them out. We've got some above. That's don't know what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I should keep collecting them and cut them down, cut them in half and put them in that way. It would still be easy to use in and out. They're just a little bit too big that way. What would you do? Would you put them in that way? Just cut the top off them, slide them in that way. Keep control of stuff, you know what I mean? Because they're working well here, and they're also working well in the bottom here, keeping this stuff in control. You know, you can stack them higher because they haven't got very high edges on this. But it just they come in really good there in the bottom to keep everything in order. Yeah. So another job we got to do today, right to the wall on Saturday. We've got to get these flags. I didn't get the big ones that I wanted. We didn't get. I know where they are. They're in Birmingham, but it means catching a train and taking a day out into Birmingham. So we're going to put them here. We're going to get the bamboo stick. We'll put a bamboo through here and put this on here and strengthen this. It's not going to be a light show. It's just going to be a right to the wall. So we've got the big flag, haven't we? We've got the Union Jack that comes up here. Yeah, it'll just save me making some other ones that we were going to make, but that can be next year. It's too close now, so the big Union Jack will be here, and these will be strengthened on the aerials here because they're not that big, and we'll run with them all day. So that'll be right to the wall, and then that'll be the last event for the wing. It's been a funny year for the wing with the weather. Too hot, too cold. Do you remember we had to have the front suspension sorted? So we finally got round to getting that done. We're up and running okay now, but we don't go out in the salt and the filth on the roads. So this will be the last event for the wing, and then we'll be putting it up on the stand, and we'll be covering her in blankets, and we can carry on. We've lost our stickers. We got extra stickers. We don't know where the hell we've put them. All of a sudden, I'll put my hand in the pocket and we'll find them, and we'll put the catch-up handed no stickers on here. But anyway, that's the way it is. So we've got that little job to do as well today.